In this video, I'm going to show you the real reason why you should dispute personal information on your credit report. I'm also going to show you how to use the manual way of disputing personal information versus the AI way of disputing personal information using our new AI tool called the AI Attack Engine. Coming up. All right, so before we get started, I want to give you a free 30-day trial of the Client Dispute Manager software. And all you have to do is click the link below to get your free 30-day trial. Once you click it, you're going to be taken to a page just like this. And this is where you can claim your free 5 attack letters. That's right, you can claim your free 5 attack letters. All you have to do is click the link below, fill out this information right here, and get access to our free 30-day trial of the Client Dispute Manager software. And we're also giving you a lot of other benefits as well. We're giving you a lot of free resources as well when you sign up for the free 30-day trial. So just click the link below and get your free trial. All right, so now that we're in the Client Dispute Manager software, I'm going to show you how to manually do a dispute and dispute personal information inside of the Client Dispute Manager. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Personal Information Fix right here. We're going to click on that. And this is one of our letters that we normally use. Okay. And then what you would do is you would simply go line by line. You would say, my name is not reporting correctly. Please fix it ASAP. The date of birth. Is wrong. I need it corrected. The phone numbers you have on file is not correct or old. Past address is inaccurate. Please remove ASAP. Okay, so you would fill that out. You would simply do that. You would go line by line and you would tell the credit bureaus exactly what's wrong. And then you would click on print. And when you click on print, it's going to take you to the bulk print and you would simply just print out your letter and you would mail it. Okay, so that's the manual way of doing it inside of the Client Dispute Manager. But now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to use our AI Attack Engine to detect all of the inaccurate personal information and generate a highly effective AI dispute letter in a matter of 4 seconds to do all the disputing for you. All right, so now that I've shown you how to do and dispute personal information using the manual dispute process, let me show you how to use the AI Factual Metro 2 attack engine to dispute personal information in less than 4 seconds. When creating an AI attack engine type dispute letter for the personal information letter, it's very simple to do. All you need to do is go ahead and click on here where it says actual AI Factual Metro attack engine. And then what you want to do is, we're still with Mark Claiborne here, this customer that we're working on. We want to go to select an attack category. And once we click on factual and consumer law attacks, we want to select that. And then right here, as you can see, this is our personal fast correction. Now, when I select this, what it's going to do is going to load up the entire credit report where you can see the customer's personal information. And you can see all of the inaccuracies in the personal information. So let me go ahead and select this right here so I can show you what I'm talking about. All right, so now that I've loaded the personal information, the next thing I want to do, I can't show you this customer's personal information because of privacy reasons, right? That's why you see it grayed out. So what I'm going to do next, all I'm going to do is hit execute attack. And when I hit execute attack, the software, the AI, what it's going to do is going to identify all the inaccurate information for the personal information section, create dispute reasons, instructions, and create a unique letter for this particular attack. So if you're a credit repair company and you're working on different customers, every single time you hit this attack button, it will identify all of the inaccurate personal information for you and then choose the personal dispute reason and instruction that's accordingly, and then create a unique letter every single time. So let's go ahead and click on execute attack. Done. Personal fast correction attack was sent to the bulk print screen. So let's go over to the bulk print screen and check it out. And as you can see right here, we have the personal fast correction attack from the attack engine right here. So this is the AI version, and this is the manual version right here. Okay, so with the AI version, it took about with the AI version, it took about less than 4 seconds. With the manual version, it can take anywhere up to 15 minutes trying to think of what exactly you want to dispute when it comes to disputing inaccurate information on the credit report. Now that we understand the difference between doing manual disputes and using our powerful AI, Factual, and Metro 2 attack engine, now I want to teach you a little bit about why you should be disputing inaccurate personal information on your credit report. So what does the law say when it comes to disputing inaccurate personal information on your credit report? The law says every consumer has the right to dispute any inaccurate personal information on their credit report. So what does that mean? If you find any inaccurate personal information on your credit report, you have a right to dispute it. There are 3 reasons why you want to attack and remove all of the personal information, all of the inaccurate personal information on your credit report. Reason number 1, identity theft. If you have inaccurate personal information on your credit report, this can be a sign of identity theft. This can be a sign of someone else trying to open up accounts in your name. If you have addresses that's not yours, date of birth is wrong, current address is wrong, things that you don't remember, a phone number on your credit report that's not yours. This is an indication that this could be identity theft. So this is one reason why you want to correct and pay attention to inaccurate personal information on your credit report. A second reason is mixed files, merge files. Someone who has your same first name, last name, and date of birth. The credit bureaus make this mistake all the time. They merge your information with someone else's information. And if they merge your personal information with someone else's personal information, there's a high likely chance that that person's accounts could also appear on your credit report as well, damaging your credit score. So this is a second reason why you want to make sure that your personal information is correct. The third reason is that by having inaccurate personal information on your credit report, it can cause you to get denied for jobs. That's right. Jobs, credit cards, loans, home loans, this sort of thing. Why is that? Because you're putting information on a credit report, on an application, and you're telling this person that this is your correct information, but then when they pull your credit report, the information does not match. It's because you have inaccurate personal information on your credit report. So your credit report personal information is not matching the information on the application for the job, or on the application for the mortgage, or on the application for the credit card. So this can, as a result, cause one of these to get denied because the information is not matching. Let's talk about disputing and analyzing inaccurate personal information on the credit report. Whenever you're disputing or whenever you are analyzing a credit report, the first thing you want to look at is the personal information correct? The first thing we want to look at is the name portion. Look at each credit bureau to see if your name is spelled correctly across all 3. It's supposed to be spelled correctly across all 3. No variations. It's supposed to be the same. It's supposed to be accurate and complete. If it's not, those are grounds for disputing this section of your credit report as inaccurate. The next thing you want to look at is the date of birth. Is the date of birth correct, or is it wrong? Does one credit bureau say one thing and another credit bureau says another thing? All 3 credit bureaus must be talking the same language, meaning reporting the same date of birth. If it's not, that's going to go on your list for disputing as well. The next thing is your current address. Is your current address correct? Is it matching your ID? If it's not, then that's a problem, right? So if your current address is not correct by one character, it's not complete and it's not accurate. So look at the current address across all three bureaus. And if you find a problem, that will go into your dispute letter as well. Then look at your previous address. Analyze the previous address. Have you ever lived at any of those addresses? Where did those addresses come from? If you never lived at any of those addresses, then it's not correct. So you need to put that in your dispute letter as well. It's inaccurate. You never lived at one of those addresses and it needs to be removed. Then you want to look at previous addresses. What about previous addresses? Are they correct? Are they reporting 100% accurate across the board for all three bureaus? And then you want to go to your employer. What about your employer? Is your employer, did you ever work at any of these companies that's listed on your credit report? Again, that is another sign for identity theft. If some other employees that's there that you never ever worked for at all. So always analyze this personal information from the credit report so you can make sure that when you're preparing your dispute, or if you're using the AI attack engine, that you dispute all of the inaccurate information on the personal information section. Don't forget to get your free 5 attack letters by simply signing up for the free 30-day software trial. And all you have to do is click the link below. Once you click the link, you will be taken to a page like this where you can fill out your information. And we're also giving you all these other additional resources as well. And this is for you if you're trying to start and run a successful credit repair business. Just sign up for the free 30-day trial to get your free 5 attack letters for absolutely free to start your dispute journey. Click the link below to get started.